Hello, Ross here. Welcome back to another video. And in this one, we're going to cover how you can hide or permanently delete content from your CommuniBee site. So for many, you may have started with a template community, which is great because it gives you a nice foundation to build off of. But you'll notice that there's a lot of content that you may or may not need. So this could be products from your marketplace, maybe events or event categories, or even just static pages that you'd rather just have hidden or deleted altogether. So the steps to doing so are going to be the same. So I'll show you one example and then you can go through your site and update the content as needed. So for example, let's go down to the content tab because this is where all of those static template pages will live. So on this pages tab, we have these 7 template pages. So you may go through this list and you might update a couple of the pages, refresh the content so it's your own. That's great, but maybe you don't need all 7 of these pages. So in that case, for example, the spotlight page, maybe we don't need this. We don't have a use for it. Click into view, and then we'll go down to its visibility tab. So this is where we can change the status, and right now it's set to live. And as covered in other videos, the live status means that the page is going to be visible to your audience so long as that the page is linked somewhere throughout your CommuniBee site. We have the option to switch this page to either draft or archived, and they're very similar in that either option will hide the page and make it only accessible from the dashboard. So it's only going to be visible to your admins when they're in the dashboard. So it's great if you're maybe working on this page, you want to update the content in the future, so you don't want it live right now. So switch it to draft or archived. If you want to permanently remove content from your site, you'll want to first switch the status to archived. That's the key difference between draft and archived, is that you have the ability to permanently delete that content. So once you switch the status to archived, we'll go down and hit save. And then if we go to the general tab for this specific page, we can see that we now have a delete option. So this wasn't there before. It's only available to pages that are archived. So if it's draft or live, you won't see this option. And just a heads up, this is a non-reversible action. So just be 100% sure you want to remove this page before doing so. So you would simply just click on delete and then confirm the action. Once you've confirmed, the page will be removed from your CommuniBee site and you won't see it in the dashboard any longer. But now that it is archived, I will show you one last thing. So you can also filter down all the content. So right now we're looking at the static pages and we're sorting by all. This is including every state. So whether it's visible, archived, or draft, they're all going to be visible here. So if we wanted, we can filter down the dashboard view and we can just see every page that's currently visible. We could also do the same for draft or even all the archive pages. So you can clean up your dashboard view without having to actually permanently delete any content. But again, that option is available if you do want to remove content forever. So that's a quick rundown on how you can hide or permanently remove content from your CommuniBee site. And the steps to doing so, again, are going to apply to all content throughout your site, whether it's just a static page or a product from your marketplace, an event or an event category, and so on. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.